Hi guys, I'm Solaiman Haqi. I'm working with IT services and I'm basically going to teach you how to work a 3D printer. Firstly, we're going on the software MakerBot here. We're just going to search what we're going to develop and design. So today I'm just going to search for a chess pawn here. We're going to pick the one that looks best attractive to us, which is probably this one right over here. Alright, so first of all we click prepare and we download our image. Move to platform. There's a couple of stuff we need to do before we can get this started. Firstly, we have to change the settings on which settings we want. First of all, there's an infill rate of how dense we want the object to be, and I'm going to do 10% here because 10% is probably the quickest. And number of shells 1, layer of height 2.27 millimeters. Change the temperature of the build plate as well to 51. The speed is going to stay 100 millimeters per second. We're going to keep it standard. We're going to not have any raft or support for this because we don't really need to have a support for it. And that's it. I'm just going to save the settings. We're going to go into the left extruder because this is the one that we're operating today, and that is about all. And all we do is press print. It's loading up, and all I'm going to do is start the print. Here is the 3D printer. As we start the print, it needs to heat up to the right temperatures. So the left extruder there is going to have to go to 220 degrees. The platform has to heat to 50 degrees. So on the LCD display here, you will see the temperatures changing and warming up. You can see the bars heating right now. It's going 30 to 50, so that first of all, that's going to heat up to the correct temperature, which is just this board over here, which the designer will get on. So once that has reached 50 degrees, then the left extruder is going to have to reach 220 degrees to heat up the filament, the PLA filament. So here it is heating. Alright, here's our 3D printer, and it's just heated up at 220 degrees for the left extruder there, and 50 degrees for the platform. And it's literally just going to rise up right now. It's going to do a test trial there. See the bit of string there. There you go. That's the little test line right there. And here we are. It's just going to slowly start. Guys, here's the finished product over here. We just waited for the billboard to cool down, and it has cooled down, and I'm just gonna, should come off very easily here. Here it is. It's the finished piece over here. Came out almost perfect the way I thought it would come out. And all I'm gonna do is add it to the cabinet, the collection of all the things that we have today. Another piece of the collection. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon.